trust your instincts. Is it the real deal or is it a ripoff? Watch that scam.
Yo, wagwan me G. Yo, wagwan, you know buy a perfume. That's how you not get no woman, you know, because you not smell good. Watch ya, we have all of the latest perfume, them nice lady. Watch ya now. Yeah, man. Yeah, you like that one there?
Yeah.
You know, me tell you the right one for you. I Gucci for you, you know.
How much for your Gucci?
Well, a $5 me I let it go for you know.
No, so
No,
that's
man, smell it first, man.
that's too
Smell it first.
expensive.
No, man, well, I'm no lady, man. Watch ya. For you, man. Yeah, how that smell?
Smell good.
See you know that you ever got heaven yet? I saw heaven smell.
Too expensive.
Man. No, man, well, I'm no lady, man. Watch ya. You what me I go do? This are the Gucci me put in at that, right? Me can give you the Gucci, me can give you the woman eternity, so, and me can give you the Chanel, right? Must can spell all three of them. Me give you them for $8,000.
8 grand?
Yes.
For them name brand perfume, yeah? No, sir.
We are
A
talking
joke here, Ron?
No, lady, no joke thing. We are talking about, man, a real deal. Looking at my face, you see not it? A serious thing, me I tell you, lady, man.
I want to trade it.
Alright, so what you say? See it, me I tell you, lady. Yeah, man. I'll cheer them $8,000.
I can't get a discount.
What?
A discount.
How you talk about, lady, man? I three you get for $8,000 and you talk about discount already. How you talk about,
You
man?
look.
Yeah, man, have a nice day. You hear, lady? Alright.
Yes, girl. You want to know, say, I stop on the sidewalk and buy cheap perfume from a man. Yeah, cheap. $8,000 him sell me for. Gucci. No, man, him come from First Street, that him tell me. No, him never seem like him would have robbed nobody. Enough perfume did they? No, him this seem nice. Alright, let me look. Alright, me go look. Jesus! Who you know see a stone the man sell me?
It's not everything that glitters is gold. In this case, not everything that smells like perfume is perfume. Why give away your hard-earned money? Just because someone says that them having a deal doesn't mean that it is going to be to your benefit. Go to a shop, one store. Make sure it is a reputable establishment where you can get proof of purchase, a receipt. Scammers are slick and smart. Be vigilant. Don't be scammed.